If you're using a Oneplus phone and want to replace the standard emojis with the iPhone-style emoji, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zfont 3 to apply the iPhone emoji style on Oneplus step by step. We'll start by installing and opening Zfont 3. Then choose the iPhone emoji pack and follow the setup process for Oneplus. I'll also show you what to do if the emoji don't change immediately after applying the font. So don't skip ahead, because one small step can make the difference between the emojis changing successfully and nothing happening at all.